Morning everyone. Class 11, subject business study, chapter 7. Today topic equity shares. Equity shares. Okay. So we will start the equity shares. So equity shares are known as owner fund oblique shareholder fund. Owner fund oblique shareholder fund. Okay. So in this series, different types of points are included. Voting rights are available to equity shareholders and participate in AGM, annual general meeting. Clear? Yes or no? So concept of equity share. So concept equity shares. So under this concept, equity share are most important source of raising long-term capital. So it is most important source of capital. It is the most important source of capital, raising long-term fund for raised long-term fund. Okay, clear? It is most important source of capital for raising long-term fund, equity shares. So capital of company is divided in small units called shares, and capital of company is divided into small units, is divided into small units of shares. Clear? Capital of company is divided into small units of shares. Clear? Yes or no? So features of equity shares. Features of equity shares. Point number first, risk bearer capital. Risk bearer capital. So all profit distribute to preference shareholders and declare a dividend after that profit available to equity shareholders. Okay? If profit available to equity shareholders, so distribute in a profit sharing ratio. So this share is known as risk bearing share or risk bearing capital. Clear? Point number second, equity share provide permanent capital to the company. So equity share provide equity share provide permanent capital to the company. Equity share provide permanent capital to the company. Okay, so point number first, risk bearer capital. Point number second, equity share provide permanent capital to the company. And point number third, return provide to equity share holders. Return provide to equity shareholders means ROI. ROI. Return on investment. Return on investment. Clear? Yes or no? So point number first, risk bearer capital. Equity share provide permanent capital to the company. Point number third, return provide to equity shareholders. And claim over residual income. And next point, equity shareholders are available voting right. So equity shareholder have voting rights in a proportion. So point number 4, voting rights available to equity shareholder in AGM. What do you mean by AGM? AGM is annual general meeting. Annual general meeting. AGM is annual general meeting. So voting rights available to equity shareholder in AGM. Okay. Point number 4. And liability of equity shareholder is limited. Extend to capital contribution. So next point number 5th, liability limited. Liability to equity shareholder to the extent capital contribution. Limited liability to equity shareholder to extent capital contribution. Okay. So point number first, it is most important source of capital for raise long-term fund. Second, capital of company is divided into small units. Small units means 1 lakh shares into 100 rupees each. Okay. So 1 crore rupees. Okay. So 1 crore rupees is divided in small denomination 1 lakh equity share into 100 rupees each. Small units. Features: risk bearer capital, equity share provide permanent capital of the company. Clear? Equity share provide permanent capital to the company. Okay. Point number third, return provide to equity shareholder means return on investment, and voting right available to equity shareholders in a AGM, annual general meeting. And last point is point number fifth. Point number fifth, limited liability to equity shareholder to the extent capital contribution. Okay, so write down today's topic: equity shares.